We're thrilled to be at SPIE Optics and Photonics 2025 in beautiful sunny San Diego. Today I'm joined by Donald Prevost, Technical Director at INO. This year we have some really exciting news to share as we're launching our brand new collaborative optomechanical tolerance analysis software, COMET. Donald, you've been deeply involved in COMET's development. Can you tell us what makes this software stand out?
Absolutely. COMET is your bridge between optical design and optomechanical tolerance. It directly connects your optical model to the tolerance process, so your critical data flows smoothly between your teams, avoiding miscommunication and costly mistakes. With its intuitive collaborative interface, COMET makes every step easier, whether it's setting tolerances, running simulations, or reviewing results. It's faster, more reliable, and just better organized. And the best part is that with COMET, you can be confident to avoid costly overdesign and risky underdesign, rigorously and efficiently. So whether you're working solo or part of a large engineering team, there's a plan that fits your organization's needs. If you want to learn more, visit ino.ca for more details.